Can you understand English with 0 subtitles? If yes, you're already ahead of 90% of learners. Let's begin. Good morning, everyone. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I slept great.
What would you like for breakfast today?
I'd like pancakes. Me too.
Pancakes sound good. Sarah, can you pour the milk?
Sure. I want to help too.
You can bring the plates.
Please pass the syrup. Here you are. Thank you.
You're welcome. What should we do today?
Can we go to the zoo? Zoo!
That's a great idea. Please put on your shoes.
I'm ready. I can't find mine.
Check under the chair. How long will it take?
About 30 minutes. Can we listen to music?
Of course.
What animals will we see first?
Maybe lions or elephants.
I want to see monkeys. Me too.
Welcome to the zoo.
Wow, it's big. Look at the animals. Stay close, please. They're huge.
Yes, they are very strong.
They have big ears. They use them to stay cool.
Look, the monkeys are jumping.
They are funny.
They love to play.
Just like Bart. Look, the monkeys are jumping. They are funny.
They love to play.
Just like Bart singing. They are in that tree. I see them. They are colorful.
Lions are called the king of the jungle
Why is that?
because they are strong and brave.
I want to be brave. What do giraffes eat? They eat leaves. Their necks are so long.
Yes, that helps them eat.
How do you feel here? Excited? Happy?
Me too. Let's sit and have a snack. Who wants juice?
I do. Me too.
Let's share the cookies.
Okay, I want two.
One first, then another.
Where should we go next?
Let's go left to see the bears.
Follow me. I'm coming.
The bears are sleeping.
They look tired. They sleep a lot. Yes, especially in winter. Why do bears sleep so much?
They rest to save energy.
I like sleeping too. We know. I dropped my hat.
Where did it fall? Near the bench. I see it. Here you go.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Good job, Dad.
Yes, thank you. Let's rest for a minute.
My feet are tired. I want to sit.
Let's sit here. What is your favorite animal so far?
The giraffe.
The monkey!
I like the elephants.
It's time to go home.
I had so much fun. Me too.
It was a great day. What did you learn today?
I learned about giraffes. I learned about monkeys.
That's great. What did you enjoy most?
Seeing the elephants. Eating snacks.
I liked walking together. We're home.
I'm tired but happy.
Me too!
Let's rest.
Let's sit and relax. I want to read. I want to play.
Both sound good. What was the best part of your day?
The giraffes. The monkeys.
I loved watching you enjoy it.
Let's make dinner together.
What should I do?
Please wash the vegetables.
I will set the table. Bark, put the forks here.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. The vegetables are ready.
Please pass the water.
Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome.
How does the soup taste?
It tastes great.
I agree.
Yummy! What will you do tomorrow?
I have school.
I will play.
Sounds good.
Let's play a game.
A board game?
Yes! Great idea. Time to wash these.
Yes, let's make them shine. Yay, I love helping. Woof, woof.
Here you go.
Perfect.
Whose turn is it?
It's mine! I want to go next!
Wait your turn. Looks like we're all set for a great day.
Yeah, let's go! Stand the rules!
That's okay. I'll explain again.
I can help too!
Good teamwork. You're doing great, Bark.
Thank you!
Keep going. We're proud of you.
Let's go for a walk. The air feels nice.
I want to run!
Slow down. It's cooler now. Yes, the evening is nice.
I like this weather. Me too!
How do you feel now?
Calm and relaxed.
Same here.
Sleepy.
It's time to get ready for bed.
I will brush my teeth. Me too!
Good job!
Do you want a bedtime story? Yes, please. Story time.
Let's listen quietly.